Hello everyone, how are you doing out there? This is Goodison Gamer once again with another review. And today I'm gonna take a look at Ikari Warriors on the Commodore 64. And this is the European version, I think. I'm not really sure, but I hope so, because that's the version I want to play. There is an United States version as well. I have tried that one, I didn't really enjoy it so much. It's a little bit of a glitch going on there. I think that's the some problem with the ROM file, but it doesn't really matter anyway. So Ikari Warriors. I played the Amstrad CPC version yesterday. I did review it. Check it out in the description below. There is a link there. I liked it. It was pretty tough. But it was good. So now let's play. So here we go. Fire with my A button and throw grenades with holding my fire button down, and a lot of enemies going on here immediately. Should try to... Shit, they shot me down there. Shit, it's very tough. So I wasted 3 lives already. And they blew up my tank and it's game over immediately. There is so much going on, a little bit too much for my taste. If this is just level 1 and I think it's level based, but I don't know. And they're all just swarming. And shots coming from... It's better to try to stay away, but it's not always possible. Come on, get in there. Shit. And they blew up my tank immediately. How could they? Fuck. Look at it. Just look at it. And mines and shit. There's another tank. And they blow me up there. Seriously, this is way too tough. Well, the CPC version was not much more easier than this one. It was even more narrow. Here the screen is pretty big in proportion in comparison to the CPC version. That was very narrow. Fuck. I lost 3 lives already. And why they put the mines in the middle of the road? Of course they do, but how am I supposed to get into the tank? Game over. This is bloody difficult, this game actually. I don't think the CPC, Amstrad CPC version was any different. Perhaps I was a little bit... had a better flow there. And I thought it was a little bit... No, get away. Yeah, now we're talking. No, let's just advance up here. And try not to be blown up. Come on now. Oh shit. Damn it. So bloody difficult. This is my last life, I think. Shit. Oh. Come on. Is game over? I think that might be, I don't know, but I imagine that might be the last of that level or something. I don't know. I'm just guessing here. Try it once again. The key to a success here seems to be reaching the tank without dying. Shit! And there I died immediately. Get in there. There you go. I lost 1 life now. And they blew me up. That tank is not very solid. Seems to be very weak. Shit. And here is another tank. Get out. What? All these mines. They don't only encircle me with like 100 troops. There should be mines all in every meter as well. Shit, what a bloody difficult game. But I had 1 round there that was pretty good actually. Shit. Fuck. That was close. They blew me up there. Here we go once again. Fuck. Come on, I think there's another tank up here. Oh, they got 4 mines. Ha! And I avoided it. Oh, crazy. There were 4 mines there. And look at it. Oh, this is completely madness. What a cool game. I'm liking it. It's so bloody difficult. I don't know if I can play anymore of this game. I shall go one more time then. It is completely... I don't think I ever played such a hectic game in my life. It's a comment. Just look at it. Wow, bastards. There. No, come on, get in there. What the hell was he doing? Come on. Rah. Eat this. Don't play around with me. Rah. There you go. Oh, all these damn mines. Oh my god. It was probably the most hectic game I played in my life. I like it. It's a cool game. I suck at it, but it's a cool game. I'm liking it. So, I mean, it's... I don't know what to say about between this and the CPC version. It's not actually a competition between them or anything like it. I think both of them are deserve a 7 out of 10 verdict. So this I will rate it 7 out of 10. This one as well. It's a nice game. Good music. That's the best part of the game. Is the cool 8-bit music going on. So there you go. I recommend it. Very good game. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Take care and have a good one. Goodbye.